Hello everyone. So here I am again with a new topic. So let us start. So today I am going to start something on the topic management, which is from business study. Basically this will help grade 12 CBSE students, and some of the professional courses also have this topic, but I think the professional student might already be knowing this because these are the very basic. But then also if you will go you can have a good revision for that. So let us start. uh, First of all, I want to tell you, I want to explain you that means what is management. What does management means actually? Management is nothing. Management is managing things simply. If I'll call management as a layman, like you can call management is managing things. Like you get up in the morning. Suppose if you are you have seen your mother, she get up in the morning, she manages things like she will give you breakfast on time, she will be packing your tiffin, packing your father's tiffin. So then if she's a working, then she will manage to go to office on time. So these are all management. So beforehand only you think about this all. Okay, like at night or a day before or a week, planning can happen at any span of time. The span of time is not fixed in case of management. Like you can plan for a month also, you can plan for a day also, like for next suppose I'm planning for next day only. So it can be happening. The term depends on you. You feel how you feel better. Like if I'm planning for a week, then it will be better for me. Might be for some other woman, she might feel that no, I'll be planning for 1 month. So it depends on you, but basically the thing is that you manage things, but before managing you try to plan the things and you try to execute it the way you have planned. Okay, so this is managing thing. What will happen if there is no management? If there is no management, in that case, basically the things will not go in a proper way, right? You might be end up wasting things, you might be end up wasting time. Suppose there are certain actions, after doing the things you will realize there are certain actions which is not required also you have done. You could have completed the work without doing so, right? So these are the things. So here basically we manage things. Okay, so now what is the exact definition in business studies? What management, what is the main definition of management? So this is the main definition of management, which says getting things done by other. Generally management is a top level. It happens basically in the top level. There is no person who is managing. Yes, obviously you will find certain group leaders or laborers are there, they have one leader. Yes, they will, it will be happening definitely, but basically the management control happens from the top level. Okay, so what they do, they try to manage things. Okay, and they make the work done by others. They want to see the work is done in a proper way. They want to see the work is done on time. They want to see the work is done with minimum cost. Okay, so basically management try to manage the things in a best way. Okay, so that's why we can say management is a term which says getting things done by others. Okay, now before starting the management topic, let us first discuss effectiveness and efficiency. Okay, so basically here I have a b from where it has come, I don't know, so let's ignore it. Okay, so efficiency and effectiveness. Now what are these two word meaning? Let us first understand this two word in depth. Effectiveness. Effectiveness means something you are completing by the time. Like suppose I have given you a task, it is basically concerned with time. Suppose I have given you a work and I have told you that this work should be completed within 2 days. So you will try to complete by the end of the second day, right? So this is called effectiveness. That means you will try to be on time. So what will happen if you are not on time? If you are not on time, in that case, the things which is done will have no value. Suppose you have managed a party and the party is tomorrow, but if you are ordering a food which is not on time, it is coming day after tomorrow, then what is its use? It has no use, right? So that's why to be on time is an important factor. If you are producing something, you are not reaching in the market on time, you are not reaching in, your competitor has reached faster than you, in that case you will miss out the things, you will not get what exactly you are wanting, right? So you have to be on time, and with this time you need to be very efficient also. That means I have completed the work on time. Suppose you have given me 2 days and you have told me that please arrange something for my party, but if you are arranging the party and that party might be you have completed the task, but to do it faster, what you have done, you have done an expenditure which is without, like you can say, without plan. Okay, you have not thought before doing the expenditure. Why? Because you want to do the task faster. So here what will happen, basically your cost will become more. You have completed the task, no doubt, yes you have completed, but you have completed the task which have taken so much of your money. You have not researched the market, you have not seen your competitors, you have not seen like what can be the better option for me. You might have visited a hotel or a restaurant which is giving you a product at high cost. You can see that I could have got a better option than this if I would have told the afterwards, if you are realizing. So yes, a management says you have to be on time. Yes, definitely you have to be on time, but to be on time, it doesn't mean you will do unnecessary expenditures, you will try to complete the task without thinking anything. That means, okay, so here a combination of both is needed. That means you have to be effective, you have to be efficient, right? If you have this two combination, then only you can say yes, you have done a good management, right? And if you are doing something with less and less of cost, but you are taking so much of time, then also it is of no use. Okay, so you have to be on time also, you have to try to do the work with less and less cost also. So these are the two basic words you should know before we start the management topic. So I'm just giving you an introduction of this two topic only today. So let's please hold for my next video, it will come, then we will be discussing this further. Thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel, and you can ask questions if you are feeling doubt on it. Thank you so much.